Ano gusto mo pumunta doon?
Sa Gardamonte Foundation Party. Eh, dito nagtatrabaho si Ate Nancy, diba? Ikaw na lang mapunta.
You know, it's a good time that we go there now. I'd like to talk to Tito Rao kasi Victoria's out to get his shares. So kailangan maunahan ko siya. Gusto ko sana kasama kita.
That's nice. Pero alam ko naman na hindi ako gusto makita ng mga Gardamonte. So, ibali na lang.
Honey, it's for a good cause. It's a foundation. Tapos I can donate money. You know, it doesn't mean that they think you're gonna fight them kasi you're going there. You know, we're invited. Okay lang yan.
Jerome, sanay ako na inaaway ako. Sa akin lang nahihiya ako na pumunta sa isang party. Alam kong magiging isang skandalo yon kapag nakita ko na maharap sa mga Gardamonte. Alam mo, ayokong sirain ang gabi ng isang buong pamilya dahil lang nandun ako. I hope you understand.
Okay. Sige, let's go.
Ang ibig mong sabihin? Kailangan natin magtanggal ng tao, right?
How many are we talking about?
Siguro mga 50 people sa production and then 20 people sa opisina.
But it's the beginning of the year. 70 workers mawawalan ng trabaho. Isn't there some way we can crunch the numbers? Sustain them at least for 3 months?
Ralph, kailangan mo matigas. Ang kumpanya na-apektuhan na. If you keep retaining all of these people, tuluyan na mababang karote ang Continental Foods. You have to make a decision.
Sabi ni Nico, si Victoria, she set an emergency board meeting, tapos at the end of the month, she's gonna have an important announcement.
That means
Nakuha ko ng lahat ng gusto ko sa'yo.
Ang isang bastarod ng katulad mo, gustong mapatunayan na kaya mo ring maabot ang langit. I'm done with this kind of drama, Miss Manalo. Nagawa ko na lahat to noon.
We'd like to start this program with a prayer to be led by Miss Nancy Gardamonte Chavez.
Excuse us. Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Kaya kong abutin ang